Are you looking for the best camera gimbal stabilizers? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Zhiyun Crane M2 3-axis Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer. Are you tired of holding your smartphone or camera in your hands while taking photos? Are you looking for the best handheld gimbal to help you take the best photos without any difficulties? The Zhiyun M2 Crane Smartphone Stabilizer Gimbal is the perfect solution for you. This product has impressive features that will help you capture distinguishable still photos. The Zhiyun M2 Crane Gimbal has a built-in OLED display that enables you to check the connection status as well as the power levels at ease. There should be no worry when your phone runs out of charge while using this incredible gimbal. It has a micro USB power output that charges your smartphone or GoPro on the gimbal while charging the gimbal itself. The built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi features give you greater control of your camera, hands-free. Number 2. FeiyuTech AK2000S Handheld Gimbal Camera Stabilizer. The Feiyu AK2000S is a handheld camera stabilizer designed for camera kit upload weighing a maximum of 4.85 pounds. It possesses excellent features and can easily handle all popular DSLR and mirrorless camera models. The gimbal stabilizer boasts of user-friendly operation and delicate appearance, making it achieve a better connection with cameras. The AK2000S is more advanced and uses the W6 algorithm, making it to have a smooth operation and quick response speed. It is made of aluminum alloy, which is light in weight, making it easy to carry. The gimbal has detachable handles enabling the user to use it in 2 different ways, appropriate for various situations. The unique LCD touchscreen allows its operation without the app. The touchscreen is also lockable to avoid accidental touches. When the wireless recording feature is set, the AK2000S can record sound from a distance. Number 3. MOZA AirCross 2 Gimbal Handheld Stabilizer. The MOZA AirCross 2 is a handheld gimbal stabilizer from Goodson. It is pretty light at only 2.3 pounds, but with a superior motor that supports up to 7 pounds of payloads. The product supports many mirrorless and DSLR cameras on the market, including the Sony A9 and AMP, A7, Canon EOS R M50 and AMP, M6, Panasonic GH4, GH5 and AMP, GH5S, and Nikon DSLR/mirrorless cameras. The gimbal features ample camera mounting space, making it compatible with a variety of cameras and lens. Its roll arm can be positioned on either side, allowing the camera to be mounted from the right or left side. The MOZA AirCross 2 has a high-capacity battery of 3000 mAh, providing it with up to 12 hours of battery life. The battery takes only 1.5 hours to charge with an 18W fast charger fully. The gimbal can track an object with the help of a smartphone. You can also use a smartphone to control the motion of MOZA AirCross 2. Number 4. DJI Ronin-SC. At 2.4 pounds, the Ronin-SC is smaller and less powerful than its sibling the Ronin-S. This is a 3-axis gimbal that takes all the features you love from the DJI Ronin-S and gets crammed into a more portable form. It is easier to use and still stands out from its more expensive peers. The Ronin-SC can keep up with quick actions thanks to its sport mode while shooting epic time-lapse through the motion-lapse mode. The DJI Active Track technology is a unique feature found in this product. It allows the user to connect the gimbal to their smartphone and enable it to automatically track subjects. Although it is smaller in size, the Ronin-SC is capable of handling payloads of up to 4.4 pounds. This makes it ideal for the setups of most DSLR and mirrorless cameras. The gimbal boasts of great build quality with an ergonomic grip that feels comfortable to the hand. The intuitive sets of controls make this product more convenient to use, despite its surprisingly affordable price. The integrated battery lasts up to 11 hours of use. While the Ronin-SC has numerous features, more advanced users might find it helpful to get the professional kit option. It comes with additional accessories, such as a focusing wheel to help in manual focus. Number 5. DJI Ronin-S Essentials Kit. The formidable DJI Ronin-S is a single-hand gimbal stabilizer for DSLR and mirrorless cameras. Unlike many other stabilizers of its size, the Ronin-S is detachable, making it easy for storage and backpacking. This feature also enables lots of shooting possibilities, satisfying your creativity. This top camera gimbal is feature-packed, better than most stabilizers in the market. There is a quick release plate for simple camera mounting. Thanks to its form factor, the user can capture steady shots even when moving fast. The auto-tune feature allows you to have full torque control for more intuitive operations and setups. There is a focus wheel that comes with the Ronin-S kit, which allows you to use the cable provided for focus pulls. Multiple accessory mounts make this product a versatile camera gimbal stabilizer. You can incorporate your mics, external monitors, lights, and many more using the provided mounts. Number 6. FeiyuTech AK4500 Gimbal Stabilizer. Among the best gimbals for mirrorless smartphone camera stabilizer is the FeiyuTech AK4500 gimbal. This gimbal is made of ultralight aluminum alloy, which makes it lightweight, weighing only 3.5 pounds. With this feature, you can quickly move around with your gimbal while shooting videos and taking photos without tiring. Also, you only need a single click to switch between landscape and portrait modes. This feature is excellent for shooting short videos like those of TikTok. It also has an LCD touchscreen where you can have all your operations on one screen, eliminating the need for an app. When using this device, you don't have to worry about compatibility since it is compatible with almost all DSLR cameras. Besides, a high-precision magnetic induction knob performs multiple functions to give you an extraordinary experience. The wireless remote control handle, detachable structure, the extension rod, and the versatile handle ensure more professionalism and outreach. Also, the fun does not stop there. There are additional peripheral interfaces like audio port, 3 multifunction USB interface, and auxiliary expansion accessory interface to give you more expansion capabilities. By far, this is one of the best gimbals that achieve value for money. Number 7. Zhiyun Crane 3 Lab Handheld Gimbal. If you plan on venturing into videography or something that involves taking photos and videos, you should consider the Zhiyun Crane 3 gimbal. This gimbal has many amazing features that will enable you to capture the best pictures and videos. It is one of the most compatible gimbals in the market, which can be used with almost every DSLRs and video lenses. The zoom and focus controls of this gimbal allow for a focus adjustment and a synchronous zoom via your mobile touchscreen. Alternatively, you can use the zoom and focus controls via the tactile wheel. With the crafted latch design, you can lock specific axes at the same time balancing the others. Besides, this gimbal is highly portable. It takes seconds to set up the gimbal. It has also automated advanced features, including time-lapse, long exposure time-lapse, object tracking, panorama, among others, to enhance your creativity while capturing the best moments of your life.